Have you ever thought about this? What if you went to another planet and did the most normal things? Like jumping, screaming, lighting a fire, or just pouring water. Because here on Earth, everything feels completely normal. Earth, you jump, you come right back down. You scream, people hear you. Fire burns, water flows. Nothing strange. Now the moon. You jump, and suddenly, you're floating. But if you scream, nothing. No sound. There's no air, so sound can't travel. Fire, it dies instantly. Water, it freezes or just disappears. Now imagine Mars. You jump, higher than ever. It feels like a superpower. But your voice, it fades away. The air is too thin. Fire struggles and burns out fast. Water, it freezes almost immediately. Now Mercury. This place is extreme, burning hot or freezing cold. You could jump, but surviving, almost impossible. No air, so no sound. Fire can't burn. Water, gone. And then Venus. This one is terrifying. The pressure is so intense, you wouldn't last a second. Jump, no chance. Scream, doesn't matter. Fire and water, they don't stand a chance. Now we reach the giants, Jupiter and Saturn. Here's the crazy part. There's no ground. You don't jump. You just fall, endlessly. Sound has no stable path. Fire, meaningless. Water gets crushed and completely changes. Finally, Neptune. The winds here are insane. You can't control your jump. Your voice gets lost instantly. Fire dies. Water gets thrown away. So think about it. Same actions. Jumping, screaming, fire, water, but completely different outcomes. And in the entire solar system, there's only one place where all of this works normally. Earth. So let me ask you, if you had the choice, where would you go?